Immunity is the protection from an infectious disease. If someone is immune to a disease, he can be exposed to it without becoming infected. A vaccine is a product that stimulates a person's immune system to produce immunity to a specific disease and protecting the person from that disease. Vaccines are usually administered through needle injections. When germs such as bacteria or viruses invade the body, they attack and multiply. This invasion, called an infection, is what causes illness. The immune system uses several tools to fight infection, such as red blood cells for carrying oxygen and white or immune cells for fighting infection. These white cells consist primarily of macrophages, B lymphocytes, and T lymphocytes. Vaccines help by developing immunity and imitating an infection. This type of infection does cause the immune system to produce T lymphocytes and antibodies. The body is supplied with memory T lymphocytes as well as B lymphocytes that will remember how to fight that disease in the future. There are two types of immunity, active and passive. Active immunity results when exposure to a disease organism awakes the immune system to produce antibodies to that actual disease, resulting in natural immunity, or when there is an introduction of a killed or awakened form of the disease organism through vaccination. Active immunity is long-lasting and sometimes lifelong. Passive immunity is provided when a person is given antibodies to a disease rather than producing them through his or her own immune system. A newborn baby acquires passive immunity from its mother through the placenta. A person can also get passive immunity through antibody-containing blood products such as immune globulin. There are different, of course, types of vaccines. There are vaccines which contain a version of the living virus or bacteria that has been weakened, or a vaccine could be made by inactivating or killing the germ during the process of making the vaccine. Last but not least, all the vaccines, like all the medication products, must firstly be approved by the Food Drug Administration. I would like to say that all the information was from the CDA, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention.